Hey guys, hello. Welcome to my channel. I am Pooja, an aspiring portrait artist. I mostly draw faces, human faces and figures. If you want to check more of my artworks, I have an Instagram account where I daily post new drawings. The link is in the description and you can give me a follow if you like my work. So, how do I draw a portrait? So whether I'm drawing using a reference or from imagination, which I rarely do, I start with a circle and then follow the Loomis method. Now if you're a beginner, then Loomis method simply means dividing the head into 3 equal divisions, from the hairline to the brow line, from the brow line to the bottom of the nose, and from the bottom of the nose to the chin. This is the normal, typical rule that every head follows. It's an approximate division, equal division. So, keeping this in mind, using the reference, I try to locate the exact positions and mark the features correctly. And once I'm completely satisfied with my markings, I proceed with drawing the actual features. So if you're here till me, I would like to ask you to give a like to this video. That would motivate me to do more. Thank you. So once I mark the features correctly according to me, then I proceed with drawing the eyes, the nose and the lips and everything else. So now drawing these is also a struggle, and the answer is practice. Okay, so each of the features, the eyes, nose, lips, everything has its own anatomy. The more you practice, the more better results and perfect looking portrait you can make. So try practicing each of the features separately, because I do that a lot. If you check my Instagram, you can see a lot of drawings of eyes. I still do it because I'm still learning. So that's it. Mark the features correctly, place the features correctly, and then try to get them perfect. That is what I do to draw a portrait. So if you are a beginner, I would suggest practice more in this initial phase of marking the positions and lines correctly, because shading and everything, the detailing and all comes a lot later. And if these if the face does not look correct, if it's not proportionate means that the features should be at correct distance to each other. So position and proportion are very important to make a good looking proper face. So practice more on that, because that I have been doing for 1 year. For 1 year I have been seriously drawing, and this is the level I've reached with practice. And what I've learned is, give time to art, it will definitely come to you. It just needs practice. So that's it. Keeping these basic rules in mind and constant practice, I draw a portrait. You can draw it too. So also you can see my journey on my Instagram. You can also connect there if you want. That's it. And then the finishing and detailing, the more you do, the better it will look. That's it. That is what I wanted to share in this video. Let me know in the comments, what did you like? Any suggestions you have for me, or anything specific you want me to make a video on, let me know. It would definitely help me to do better and make content that you are interested in. Basically, I'll be sharing my art processes and sharing my experience and knowledge with you all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't to watch the next video. We'll soon meet in the next video very soon. Okay, till then, thank you for watching.